In order to split your PDF into separate pages, you need to follow this method. And by the way, this method works offline and you do not need any additional software. So is the step 1, you need to open your browser. It could be any browser, preferably Google Chrome, but if you're using something else, you can open that. In the second step, you need to just drag and drop your PDF file into your browser. Once you drag your file into the browser, the PDF file will open in your browser. So if you're not already familiar with the number of pages that are there in this PDF file, you can go and check here that how many pages are there. So in the next step, you need to click this printer icon to take out the print. So if you do not have a printer, don't panic. We are not taking the printout, or we are not using the printer. We are using this printing feature. In the next pop-up screen, where generally the printers are selected, you need to select from the drop down menu save as PDF, and here in the pages you will see this options of all even and odd pages, but you will select this custom page, and in the layout you have to mention the pages you want to split from the document. For example, if you want to just split a single page, you need to just enter the page number here. Like in this case, I have entered page number 3. In case you want to separate a number of pages which are in sequence, then you can write their starting and end point. Like in my case, I have written 5-9, meaning by that I want to extract or separate from page 5 to page 9 from this document. So in case of a single page, you will only write the page number, and in case of a number of pages, if they are in sequence, you will start the starting page and end page, like from page 5 to page 9. And in case of a more complex scenario where you have to extract a range of pages and then there is a one page which is separate, in that case you will write first the page range like 1-5, meaning by that we want to extract from page number 1 to 5, and then we only want to extract the page 9, so we will add comma. So for a range you will add dash between the pages starting and end page, and for separate pages you will add comma after each. So you can see that I have written here also as an example. And in case of a combination of these things, then you can write, let's say 2-6, 9, 11-18. So I hope that you've got the point. So this is the only thing which is a little tricky. Just follow this and you will be able to extract. So once you have selected this, you just need to press this save button, and in the next screen you will see that a browser window of your computer would open, in which you will see the split file or split pages over here. So this was our annual report, and these are the pages that we have separated from this report, and that's it.